What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Farmer on the Prairie. So we're gonna flash back to a couple days ago here in a minute where I was starting combining. I got home from work, went out and helped Dad get the combine going out in the bean field, and then I was combining. We got the combine all calibrated, set up with the weigh wagon, the yield monitor. You got to adjust the weight of how much it records. So we did all that. Now the yield monitor is set. I'm sorry if I look a little bit down in that video. I was sick. I still am sick, but I feel much better than I did that day. So we're gonna go back to a couple days ago, and I hope you enjoy the video. I just got home from work. It is 3 o'clock. I took off of work early today because Dad said he thought we had some beans that were fit. Stopped by home real quick, grabbed you guys. Now I am driving over to John's on our field lane. And once I get over to John's, we're gonna jump in the combine and drive back over to the other corner of our farm and put the bean head on. So we'll see how starting beans out goes. We gotta calibrate our new yield monitor, do things like that. Shouldn't take too terrible long, and hopefully we'll be getting going in very short notice. So I just got in the Kubota now. Dad literally just pulled out of the shed and took off down the road in the combine. I'm gonna go hook up to one of our wagons and head over there as well. It is very important that when you drop a wagon that has been sitting outside for a while, to shut the doors, make sure they're closed, so that way you don't end up with grain all over the ground by the combine driver who can't see the doors over here on this side that are open. Okay, so some of you wonder why we bought a Kubota. I'll show you one of the reasons right here. I have a fence right here, field right there. Check this out. We ran over about 18 inches of the field. Now that I've dropped the wagon back over along the lane, I'm gonna drive over and then help Dad hook up the bean platform. And hopefully get him started.
The thought is go over to that corner and then let's go along up to there, go across that end.
So right now Dad is adjusting the poly divider on that end right over there down to match that one. We had it up higher so we could pull the sickle out underneath it. Okay, where's it gonna match at?
About approximately here.
Butt down. Pop the hose out, didn't you?
Huh?
You pop a hose out. first little bit here, he's going to let me get a sample, and then he's gonna dump out and then start a calibration load. Okay, I'm over here at John's now with the moisture sample, and I'm going to go through and go ahead and get everything set up. 250 grams of soybeans. Test. (14.5%). Hold up, it just started raining. Should I come out there with the tractor to grab the wagon in case it's gonna rain more? Alright, I'll do that. Okay, y'all, I'm headed back out to the field right now with the tractor. In case if it starts to rain more than just a sprinkle, I can grab the wagon and take it back up and put it in the shed. Now I'll show you how to do the calibration. Wait. Okay. Now that's already applied itself. Just finished the calibration load, gonna start another one. Dad let me take over the combine now, so we're going to get started at it. Yeah, I'm driving down here a bit because we always cut at an angle through our field. It just helps the beans feed a little bit better with the combine head. Guys, we have 21 acres done. It's starting to get a little bit tough, about dark, so we are going to call it a night or call it a day for tonight, and then we are going to head back out tomorrow morning as soon as the dew's burned off and start again. The beans are testing and at 14%, so we're good where that is considered, and you know, it's been going pretty good, threshing good. So I'm gonna call it a night, start back up tomorrow morning. There she is for the night. And some of you are wondering if it is harmful to the combine or damages it in any way when we leave the unloading auger out? The answer is no. That is actually better for the combine as long as you're not around trees, because when the auger is going out and back all the time, you're wearing that pivot point out. You're also shifting the weight on the vertical arm inside there. So having the auger out all the time is just fine. It is preferable to have it empty, but when you're unloading on the go in corn, it does end up having product in it sometimes, but it does not damage the combine to have the auger out, as long as you don't hit telephone poles or trees.